Welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys how can we change phone sleep time in our Poco phone. Guys, you want to change guys your phone sleep time in your Poco phone. So guys, how can you change? Today I will show you in this video guys how to change phone sleep time. So before starting video fan, first of all guys subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So guys, now let's see guys how to change phone sleep time. First of all, open your phone setting guys and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see guys this lock screen setting guys, tap here and friends click on this sleep setting means phone sleep time guys you can change from here. So example guys, we will change into 15 second and guys come back and friends you can see this 15-second phone sleep time setting. So I don't touch anywhere on your screen and I wait for 15 second only, then after 15 second guys your phone will sleep automatic. Wait and watch. And friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your lock screen setting? You can ask me in comment section. So as now you can see 15 second phone will sleep. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.